Very good morning, my dear beloved students. Well, this is your trainer Payal here and welcome to our channel Be the Perfect. So students, in today's session, I am going to teach you all how to replace very with advanced vocabulary. Students, give all your ears to your trainer Payal and follow the video very precisely. Let's start with the very first word, very excited. Suppose you are saying, I am very excited because very soon I am going to visit Singapore. So student, instead of using very excited, learn a new word, accelerated. I repeat myself, accelerated you can use for very excited. I am very accelerated because very soon I am going to visit Singapore. Next sentence, very angry. So students, for very angry you can use furious. Okay, now let's construct a sentence. I was very angry yesterday because the unexpected rain has spoiled all my evening plans. So you can use very furious here. I was very furious yesterday because the unexpected rain had spoiled my program. Let's go to the next word, very dirty. So for very dirty, you all can use filthy. I don't want to visit mountains during the rainy season because it's very dirty. So for very dirty, you can use the advanced word filthy. I don't want to use the mountains during the rainy season because it becomes very filthy. Now students, let's go to the next word, which is very happy. I am very happy because soon I am going to secure the position of vice president. So for very happy, I am going to use the vocabulary word ecstatic. I am very ecstatic because very soon I am going to occupy the position of vice president. Let's go to the next word, very beautiful. So for very beautiful, you all can use exquisite. I repeat myself, for very beautiful, you can use vocabulary word exquisite. I want to visit Maldives because it is very beautiful. So instead of using very beautiful, you can say, I want to visit Maldives because it's very exquisite. It has got exquisite and marvelous beaches. Now students, the next word, very smart. So for very smart, you all can use the word brilliant. Oh, she's very smart, and that is the reason I have made her the chairperson of the company. So for very smart, I am using the advanced word brilliant. She is very brilliant, and that is the reason I made her the president of the company. Now student, let's go to the next word, very hungry. So students, for very hungry, you all can use vocabulary words like famished or ravenous. Okay, I repeat myself, you can use vocabulary words like famished or ravenous. I am very hungry today because I was fasting yesterday. So I am very hungry. You can use I am famished. I am extremely famished because I was fasting yesterday. So students, did you see how I used so many various vocabulary words and how I replaced them with very? So students, I really hope you all enjoyed today's session. So if you want to enhance your English, if you want to learn more and more advanced terms, like, share, subscribe, be the perfect. Till then, this is your trainer Payal here signing off. Bye bye and have a great day ahead. Thank you.